Hello, my name is Gary Fleming. I'm the Vice President of Strategic Services at RedLine Solutions. Today we're going to talk about the importance of a lot or batch number when performing a traceback or trace forward investigation and why the Produce Traceability Initiative included the lot or batch number as a mandatory element for traceback. Let's start by talking about the importance of a lot or batch number. Hopefully I don't have to spend a lot of time telling you how important that is because anyone that creates a lot or batch number absolutely has to have that information in order to determine what field it came from and or what pack shed it came from, or both. In addition, they include other information such as a Julian date that shows when it was harvested in the event that they harvest from a field multiple times, and or when it was packed, again, in the event that it was packed multiple days at that pack shed. They'll also include other information such as the crew, the shift, the individual packer, so forth and so on. But once it leaves a grower shipper and it goes to a distribution center, as we all know, distribution centers don't turn their inventory before another shipment of product arrives from the same grower. Therefore, it's very common for a distribution center to have inventory of multiple lots and multiple batches of the same product from the same grower. As they don't capture that information inbound, they would not know outbound what that same information is, and therefore would not be able to convey that to the buyer. Now, let's put yourself in the shoes of an FDA investigator. When you get to the individual restaurant or grocery store where the problem occurred, you will find out two things: which buyer's product was in that facility at that time that the consumer got sick, and where you actually received that product from. Then you go to the distribution center, the one step up the supply chain without a lot or batch number, and all they'd be able to say is, well, here's the product and the purchase orders that we shipped to that buyer during that time period, and we can guess as to what the purchase orders were that brought product in from various growers, which is going to further implicate the amount of product that is under question. Then, when they go to the grower shipper without a lot or batch number, again, they're going to have to look at the different purchase orders that were shipped to that specific distribution center and hoping that it's going to contain the lot or batch number that is in question. As shippers often get product from multiple growers, it implicates pretty much all growers that are growing that commodity during that window. Same holds true for the number of times it was harvested or packed from different fields or pack sheds. So again, the amount of product continues to broaden. All of these are reasons why the Produce Traceability Initiative included the lot or batch number as a mandatory element, because it certainly narrows down on the amount of implicated product and it gets product out of the supply chain as quickly as possible. In addition, the FDA study that was recently done by the IFT group, IFT cited in the study that the inclusion of a lot or batch number tremendously speeds up a traceback investigation. Countless times, FDA and also state investigators had claimed that the lot or batch number or the exclusion of a lot or batch number elongated their investigation. Well, if this whole thing is about speeding up a traceback investigation so that, number one, we can protect consumers by getting tainted product out of the supply chain faster, as well as getting cleared product back into commerce faster, then we're asking the wrong question if we're saying, can we do a traceback investigation without the lot or batch number? The right question should be, with the inclusion of a lot or batch number, can it speed up and make the traceback investigation more efficient? Well, the industry knows the right answer to this, and so does the FDA and state investigators. So why do we continue to ask ourselves this question? Well, I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, you can certainly email me at gfleming@redlinesolutions.com, or you can call me at 408-326-0140. Thanks and have a great day.